Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's BarkBox for June. Do you want to know which toys she's going to be playing with and which snacks she's going to be snacking on? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today her BarkBox just arrived for June, and I'm super excited to see what is inside of here. I already cut the tape because, you know, she's always so nosy. And let's see what the theme is. The theme is so adorable. I even had one of my gorgeous subscribers, Denise, send me a message saying, look what she's going to be playing with one of these, because I guess I had a spoiler out. And I'm like, I really hope she gets the macaroon. So without trying to tell you the theme and what's in here, I'm hoping she's getting macaroons. So it says Frenchies in Paris. Very pretty. I like the way that that looks. And then when you open it up, how cute. It looks like a little French bakery inside. And she got the coffee. And is that the macaroons? Is that the, I think I'm going to be more excited about your toy this month than you are. Do you know this? You got macaroons. She got the macaroons. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Let's go over the coffee one first. So this one right here looks like a coffee or a cappuccino. And then it even has like the little Eiffel Tower that's into like the foam. And look at how cute. It has the crinkle. It has the squeak. Has the squeaker. And so now she's like, give me that. You want that coffee? See, you can play with your cup of coffee while mommy drinks her cup of coffee in the morning. Does that sound like a deal? Does that sound like a deal? Yeah, you can play with yours while I drink mine. Is that good? So there is number one as far as her toys. And hey, no, I gotta show them first. She's already trying to take this one out of the box. So this is the second one, and I'm so excited about this. It says, wee macaroon. wee macaroon. All right, so let me go ahead and remove this thing here, or take, okay. So it has this little Velcro that opens, and there's all these little macaroons inside. Oh my goodness. They squeak, and they squeak. And then you have this little box to keep them in. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Can I help you? And now, wait, you can't take your treats out. Do you want your toys? Oh, do you want your toys? Oh, do you want your toys? Do you want your toys? Okay, whoa, hey, your coffee fell. And oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so here's one, here's two, and here's three. They're attached right now just so they don't come out, but I'm gonna take them off and let her play with them in just a little bit. So let's go out ahead and go over the treats. Now I know last month I did tell you guys that they changed her profile. So instead of the long, hard chew that she never eats, they are now giving me a third treat bag. And I know I mentioned that one of you guys were going to change your profile that way, and I hope they did that for you, because if I remember correctly, you had like 6 or 7 dogs. So having a bag of several treats would definitely be better for all of those dogs. For your situation, and it was better for her situation having one dog. So the first one we have is lamb cuts. These irresistible lamb cuts will turn your dog into a smoldering supermodel. Ooh, are you gonna like eat this and be like, you better work, cover girl, work it girl. You're gonna become a supermodel. Do you know that? Do I have to get your dress? You should go be a supermodel. They'll be giving you that look to get another bite. And oh my gosh, she loves her treats so much. So the next we have is the Marvelous Duck Cuts. Will turn your dog into an award-winning actor. Oh my gosh, you're gonna go from a supermodel to an actor? Holy moly. Do I get to quit my day job? Are you gonna support me? And then this one is the Captivating Chicken Jerky. Ooh, will transform your dog into a really good listener. I kind of doubt that one. Unless she hears the word treat, she'll perk up and listen real quick. But that is really neat that we have some jerky. So you can see from the back that this bag is all full of the chicken jerky. So there's that. And then I like how now we can see. So there's the little squares for the duck cuts. And then this one is for the lamb cuts. They're like the same as the duck cuts style. So those are the 3 treats. So for this month, her BarkBox, she got 3 bags of treats and those 2 adorable toys, and it couldn't have been better. Like I said, the first thing when I had told her, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope she gets the macaroons. So I think you're gonna be super excited to see that she got the macaroons, Denise. But if you wanna know what all could have came in this month for this theme, their themes are just so cute. I love it. So here are all of the different little toys that would have been with this month's theme. So out of all of them, I mean, the only other thing that I would see, I mean, the bread is cute, but this looks like a wine bottle. That would have been, yeah, Cabernet. That would be super cute. But out of all of them, these 2 is the best one. So they chose hers very, very well. Except this little croissant. Look at this croissant. How cute is that? That is so cute. I think this theme is absolutely adorable. And I'm so excited. Her macaroons, I think I'm just going to leave them all in the thing and let her shake them out. You'll see. So if you want to see her play with her toys, then here you go. You just want to play with the holder? Where's your macaroons? Oh yeah? Tell me how you really feel. Okay, you guys, so that is her playing with her toys and having fun like normal, you know. How she is. But if you want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, I do have a link down below. If you click that, it'll take you strictly to their site. And the monthly subscription is $29 for the BarkBox. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $25 per month. If you do 12 months, it brings it to $22 per month. If you have a super chewer that you need some super chewer toys, the super chewer box is $39 per month. $34 if you do 6 months, or $29 if you do a whole 12 months. And if any of the super chewer toys are destroyed, they will replace it at no charge. And then if you have any problems with your BarkBox, you get a hold of them, they make it right. I seriously say this, BarkBox does have like one of the best customer service when it comes to subscription boxes and how they take care of everything. I have no complaints whatsoever, only positive about their customer service. And I really wish that there are a lot of other companies out there that took more notes from this company, because they're amazing. Their customer service is just amazing. So they're always there to make it right. If you have any questions or anything like that, you contact them and they help you out any way that they can. So that is everything for this particular month, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? I think it is just super, super cute. Frenchies in Paris. So cute. So comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew and Vienna out.